Well, it changed over the years. I mean, I knew I wanted to be an actor from when I was 5. I mean, I loved watching movies and I loved acting out the characters in the movies, and it was an escape. I wanted to be anybody but me. Why acting? I think it was a couple of things. One, it was self-preservation. And two, I wanted to be in a position, I imagined myself being in a position where I would help people, even as a young kid. But I think even that, it wasn't so altruistic. It was because I didn't feel worthy as a person on my own. I felt I needed to do something. Then as I got older and started really studying acting, I found out I wasn't really being somebody else. I was really getting in touch with who I was. And through that journey, I got to, for the first time, like myself, appreciate myself. So it really wasn't about putting the mask on, but I guess it served that purpose when I was a kid, but true acting was really about taking the mask off and being open and vulnerable. So, and now why acting now? It's just, I need the connection, I need the illusion, I need the reality, I need to tell stories, I need to find out who I am, I need to be able to communicate.